Welcome back to Channel V8X, the home of power, luxury, and pure automotive thrill. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest machines BMW has ever built, the BMW M8 2024. If you love speed, design, and engineering perfection, stay tuned, because this one is a masterpiece. The 2024 BMW M8 is not just a car, it's a powerful statement. Under the hood, it carries a monstrous 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers an incredible 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. This beast launches from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, giving you the type of acceleration that feels like you've been pulled into a different dimension. BMW didn't just make the M8 fast, they made it unforgettable. When you look at the BMW M8 from the front, you instantly understand who's in charge. The aggressive kidney grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and muscular stance give this car a dominant, intimidating presence. It's the kind of front view that turns heads before the engine even turns on. From the side, the 2024 M8 looks sleek, aerodynamic, and sculpted with absolute precision. Wide rims, low stance, and a smooth, flowing silhouette make it feel like it's moving even when it's standing still. Every line reflects pure performance. The rear view is where the M8 shows its true attitude. With glowing LED tail lights, quad exhausts, and an aggressive diffuser, the back of this car screams power. At night, the rear lighting combined with the glossy paint creates a dramatic, cinematic look. Inside the cockpit, BMW delivers a world of luxury. Premium leather seats, a fully digital dashboard, ambient lighting, and carbon fiber trim pieces make the interior feel futuristic and elegant. The M8's cabin isn't just comfortable, it's an experience. Every detail is designed to make the driver feel in control of something extraordinary. From a drone or top-down view, the proportions of the M8 shine beautifully. The smooth roofline, wide body, and sharp edges give you a complete picture of BMW's design excellence. It's the perfect angle for cinematic shots and thumbnails. On the highway, the M8 transforms into a rocket. The sound, the motion blur, and the effortless speed create the perfect blend of adrenaline and comfort. Whether you're cruising or pushing the limit, the M8 delivers a premium driving experience. At night, this car becomes a piece of moving art. The LED lights, reflections on the body, and the deep black finish create a stylish and mysterious vibe. The M8 under city lights is simply breathtaking. The 2024 BMW M8 competition starts at around $140,000 internationally. Considering its performance, design, and luxury, this price reflects exactly what you're getting: a supercar